Alright, start some shoes, man.
You want me to help?
Mm-hmm.
Why are we doing this? Because we have to do what?
Do your makeup tutorial?
We're going to do the makeup tutorial, so we got to get my bangs out of my face. All right, we ready to go?
Yes.
All right. What are we starting with?
This.
This. What is this?
What is this?
This is foundation. What are you going to do with it?
Put it on your face.
I'm going to put it on my face. Put some on your hand and rub it, and then do this. There you go. Good.
A little bit more.
A little bit more, yeah.
Yeah.
That's probably enough. All right. Put it on your fingertips and put it on my face.
Oh, now I just need a wipe.
All right, I got wipies right here.
Okay.
You need my help? All right.
Are we doing with that now?
Well, next we should do the powder.
Yeah.
All right, you gonna put some powder on me?
Yeah. First we do
Oh,
this.
you want to use a brush for the powder. I understand, yeah.
Yeah.
Brushes are more fun for sure.
Yeah. We start with the powder.
We start with the powder, all right? Now it's time for blush.
Yeah, I'm going to start with this brush.
No, let's use this brush for the blush.
Yeah.
That's the one that you've got already. Where does that go?
On your face
On my face? Okay.
and on your cheek.
On my cheeks?
On your nose.
On the nose?
Does that tickle?
A little bit, yeah.
Now we're done.
Now we're done with that, all right? So now we're gonna move on to this. What is this?
Colors.
Colors for what?
This, that.
Where are you gonna put it?
I'm going to use this brush.
Okay.
Brown.
What color is that?
Brown.
Brown, okay. And where does this go?
On your eyelash.
On my eyes, okay.
I gotta get some
Yeah, you gotta load it up.
this. Gotta get some of this and this.
Oh yeah, you can just mix all the colors. There you go.
This.
Okay.
And one more thing. I need this.
You need that too?
Yeah.
You can use them both. Let me show you. Yeah, you want to like wipe it when you get it. You want to like drag it across. And then it's got some on it. Okay?
Start with this. It goes on your cheeks.
Does it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
On your nose too.
It's tickly.
Just a little bit.
Yeah.
Now start with this.
Okay.
Now we're gonna start with the little brush.
Oh, are we still on eyeshadow? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. You gonna put it on my eyelids this time? There you go. Okay. Put it on my eyelids. Wait, it goes on my eyelids.
A little bit more.
Okay.
Use one color at a time.
Okay. Oh, good job.
Now what's this color? This color?
Okay. Put on my eyelids. I feel pretty already.
Mm-hmm.
Why are you putting it on my nose?
So I want to do it.
You're supposed to be doing recital makeup.
I am.
Okay.
I'll start with the other color.
Okay.
This color, this color.
Put it on my eyes. Or my cheeks.
And your eyes, too.
Okay?
We're done with that.
Done with that. Alright, so it's time for eyeliner next.
I'll do it with this eyeliner.
This is eyeliner.
Yeah.
It's like a marker. I'm going to put it on my eyes. I thought we were putting it on my eyes. What's happening here?
We're doing it on your cheeks.
Okay. What about my eyes though? It's eyeliner.
Yeah.
Okay.
Look. Now this one. Perfect.
Perfect. Okay. All right. We done with that?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Here, I'll put the lid back on it. And now we can use this. You know what this is?
Mm-hmm.
This is mascara. This
Yeah.
goes on my eyelashes. There you go. Yep, just like that.
Now a little bit
Oh,
more.
yeah, dip it again for sure. Okay.
This side. Perfect.
Perfect.
Mm-hmm.
And now, what's left to do?
Your lipstick.
My lipstick. What color did you choose for lipstick?
Red.
Red. Okay. I'm going to twirl it up for you.
Lips. This. And it's for your face too.
No, it's not for your face, too.
So we gotta start with the other thing that we already did.
Wait, let me roll it up before we stick it back in there. Okay. Now you can stick it back in there. Am I done?
No, not yet.
Oh, what else do we need to do?
The other things with this brush.
You want to go back to the eyeshadow again?
Yeah.
Yeah, that was your favorite, wasn't it?
So with these colors. These colors.
You
This
going to put it on
colors,
my eyes this
these
time?
colors. No, we're gonna put it on your chin. One more time.
Okay. Is that it?
Yes.
All right. You look at the camera and tell people this is how you do recital makeup.
This is how you do fine makeup.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Can I see?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that's nice, Joe.
Mm-hmm.
I can tell every place you put it on me.
Yeah.
Every single place.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. You know, I think Avery wanted some recital makeup. You want me to get her
Yeah.
out here?
Avery,
Avery!
it's your turn. You look like a cat.
You do look like a cat.
Mm-hmm. Like it gets fun for more makeup.